ready. This time I'm going to teach you a new domino technique. So this is called the pyramid technique. First we keep horizontal dominoes. You can build how much ever you want. And after we keep the dominoes this side. And after that we repeat the bottom layer here. We should carefully build. And after we repeat this layer top, and then the process continues. And after I'm gonna to repeat this layer again. Like this we can keep on build. So we are going to keep on build. And then the last domino. So this is called the pyramid technique.